found the ultimate thing that's ultimately ultimate, that's awesome. Finally, as I said again, I found the magic key, the relic of awesomeness. So awesomely awesome that I can't describe how awesome it is. Oh. What was that? You, that's it. Well, I got news for you. You may be the guardian of the pickle, but you can't have none of these. You know what? Are you look at me? That's very wrong. It's a traditional shirt. It's the sacred shirt, boy. You know what? I'm tired. This fight, but first I need to warm up. None of this. Whoa. Okay, maybe you can. Scratch race truck. No, you win.